It's not the same companies that outperform year after year. You don't know. 2024, everyone talked about the Mag 7. Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, Google, Meta, and Tesla. The Mag 7 beat the stock market. Why don't we just invest in the Mag 7? And then people started getting more creative. If I took out Mag 7 company number 3 and replaced it with this company, I would do even better. Why don't we just do that over the long term? In 2025, the Mag 7 are all getting crushed. The reason you don't pick the Mag 7 of the year is because every year the Mag 7 changes. It's not the same companies that outperform year after year. You don't know what will drive the market to overperformance the next year. You don't know what will drive the market to underperformance the next year. 35 years ago, the biggest companies in the world were in Japan. How many of these companies are still around in the top 10? None of them. And what about the ones from America on this list? Exxon, GE, IBM, AT&T. They're gone too. Don't focus on the companies that are strong this year because they may not be strong next year. And the odds that they're strong 30 years from now, almost no chance. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Having said that, you still need to set your worldview because you can't have that change every year either. If you believe that the global economy will be driven by America, Europe, China, emerging markets, or whatever, you need to build your portfolio around that belief. And you should expect that belief to be shaken in the years to come. Because when I started in the 1990s and I put all my eggs in the US basket, immediately faced with the lost decade. Dot-com crash, credit crisis, stocks in the US were flat for 13 to 14 years. So be prepared to be tested. If you're not sure about what will be the growth driver for the world in the coming decades, maybe something like a globally diversified index ETF is more your speed. And if someone believes that capitalism will eat itself, financial collapse is inevitable, maybe diversification into commodities, bonds, and non-equity investments would be more appropriate. Learn the lessons about money and portfolio construction that your teachers didn't teach you. Download my free newsletter linked off the bio. Good luck. Take care.